Good morning to each and every one of you. Today is the 12th of May. Welcome to it. My good things for today are the school year winding down and Screencast-O-Matic. Screencast-O-Matic is the screencasting platform I use to make these videos, and it's not quite working today, so I'm trying to be very positive and be thankful for all the days that it does work, because it's usually great. Some good things that you shared from yesterday are eat all the sugar. I don't know what that means. A bunch of you mentioned sugar and stuff, and I don't get it. I'm missing something. Breakfast, cereal, candy, crepe cake, pizza. Good books, playing football, YouTube, Ponytown, Pirates of the Caribbean, New Beds, and the students who know what Johnny did are Kai, Royce, Romy, Cambria, Jade, Ella, Nika, Jessica, and Abby. A lot of you didn't know what Johnny did, or at least didn't reply correctly on the attendance form yesterday, and that is dismaying to me. It means you haven't done your reading. That's disappointing. All right, so let's jump into it. I'm doing a short video today, not super long. You should have read chapters 3 and 4 of The Outsiders already. I know a lot of you haven't. The reason why I know is you didn't know what Johnny had done. Anyway, for chapters 3 and 4, you should have completed this, put in a title for chapter 3, summarized it, and answered how the author used foreshadowing at the end of chapter 3. For this one, I talked about this in a previous video. You're comparing Socs and greasers by listing traits that are unique to each and then that they hold in common. Chapter 4, once again, providing a title and a summary and answering that question. And then this one, the cause and effect chart. This is something on the left, you're explaining, you're completing the sentences, basically. Because he thinks he is dumb. What is the effect of that on the right-hand side? All right, so you're doing... I was going to review chapters 3 and 4, but since a lot of you clearly haven't read it yet, I'm not gonna. I feel like I'm giving you answers when I do that, so no. And I will be collecting this assignment. When we finish the book, you will be sharing this or sending this to me, so don't feel like giving you answers when I feel like too few of you have read it. So, I'm assigning chapters 5 and 6. You need to have these done by Thursday. For chapter 5, you've just got this one question, the summary and the title. For chapter 6, same sort of thing. Just one question, summary, and title. Remember, the title is not the title that appears in the book. It is what you think that chapter should be called. So, please catch up with your reading if you're one of those who has not read through at least chapter 4. Those of you who did read through chapter 4 and were able to tell me what Johnny did, good for you. This is also kind of the best part of the book, right? It's super exciting, so I hope that you're reading it and appreciating it. This is kind of as fun as school gets, so I don't know. All right, so catch up on your work. Read chapters 5 and 6. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. Bye-bye.